Alright, so this upright bike is the Cybex. I believe it's a 625 upright bike, but as you can see, the front nose of the seat is kind of broken and busted off. So got a new seat. We're going to show you how to attach that real quick. It's pretty straightforward, not too hard, but kind of show you how it goes on here. Underneath you'll notice there's some Allen screws. I think there's two, should be three. It's missing one right here too, didn't even notice that. But what we'll do is we'll take that apart, and it's pretty easy. Just take it off and replace the new one. So I don't know if you can see me doing this here, but I'll try to hold it and show you. So I'll just unscrew this. That. It's a little angle, so it's a little challenging to get to. So you can probably just get it somewhat loose and then finger loosen it the other way. Set it down. And there's one on the other side too. Here, just kind of undo it. Kind of see it's coming undone. So remove this screw. Take it off, and then the whole seat just comes right off, just like that. I'll take the new one. Place it on, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to line up those screw holes to the holes on the plate that it sits on, just like that. So you can kind of tell that it's not lined up. Line it up just right. Perfect. And then just screw the bolt in that you took off, and that's pretty much it. So hope that helps.